go back to
New tornado warning was just issued.
Dodge City has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Meade County and southwestern Kansas, south central Gray County and southwestern Kansas until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:25 p.m.
Yep, another PDS warning.
An extremely dangerous tornado was located 5 miles.
A wedge was seen when it was north of Plains.
This is a particularly dangerous situation. Expected hazards include a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by trained spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near. On to zoom in around 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now.
Is that debris? I keep hearing on the chat right there that there's debris with this.
If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Kansas, Gray and Meade.
I'd be paying attention to this if I lived in Dodge City. Doubleheader. Second time this weekend I've had that. Okay, you know it's bad when they're... Oh yeah, an off-duty National Weather Service employee reported a wedge on the ground north of Plains earlier with this thunderstorm. And the rotation was very strong. Okay, that's for the squall line.
Eastern Grant County in southwestern Kansas, eastern Stevens County in southwestern Kansas, northern Seward County in southwestern Kansas, Haskell County in southwestern Kansas, southwestern Finney County in southwestern Kansas, southeastern Kearney County in southwestern Kansas, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 10 miles west of Plano to 3 miles northwest of Satanta to 4 miles east of Cave to 5 miles west of Woods, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour.
That storm is all out there by itself, so...
60 miles per hour wind gusts and up to half-dollar size hail.
Is it still on the ground? Is the wedge still on the ground?
Expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Hugoton, Sublette, Satanta, Moscow, Rias, Woods, Plymouth, Tice, Cave, and Hickok. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor.
Alright, that's Reed Tamara's stream right there. He's on this storm. I hope he knows that there's this extent of the warning.
Warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Kansas, Finney, and Haskell.
Alright, if it stays on the ground, I'll be doing more videos on that tornado.